Charge yung battery. Charge na yung battery. Running alarm. Yun guys. So, battery natin. UPS. Disable. Tapos, controller alarm.
Power supply yan sa UPS.
Ah, ayos na. Sa MOP B. Sinusuplayan dyan ng isa eh. Yun ang kabila. Alright. Replace batteries UPS-B for MOPB. Yun. Bako na. Yun namang age.